not left challenge, okay? Me and Gabby are going to be trying this with the water.
Yep. Alright, I'm going first.
No, I will. I love doing that. How long are we going to do this for?
I'm just gonna time myself. About a minute. Hurry up. Alright. It starts now. You know what? Really? Yoga. Mosquito. Oh, that wasn't on purpose. One point for me.
Okay, ready?
No.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Come on, Gabs.
I'm afraid. I know you're gonna hit me.
That was on Twitch.
Fetch.
Whee! This South Africa.
Look at that.
Hey, wearing the clothes, oh yes, the call on the street. Best thing on 2 feet. Just another stylist than what I said earlier.
Mm-mm.
Yoga. I have an idea. It's not in front of the camera. Hold on. I will put it in your mouth unless you say no. Yes, say no.
Whoa.
What? I can't understand that.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
Mm. I got it.
Okay,
That was a
let's
minute.
sit.
2
My turn.
points. Oh. Alright?
Mhm.
Alright?
Mhm.
Start timer now. Start counting. What should I do? Cartwheel. Face the camera. Come on. I don't know how to make you laugh. How to... There's like 30 seconds left. No. Oh, what is there? What is there? What is there? Dang it! Show the camera what you just did. Ew.
Take that, sucker. 1 to 2.
Yep.
I know.
I can turn off my laughing box, so.
So
Just
can
a
I.
warning.
Oh, I think I know something that makes you laugh. Just kidding.
Look, the camera.
I'm not doing it in front of the camera. You didn't do everything in front of the camera. You
Look
did
in front of the camera. Come on.
No, because this is going to be weird.
Hmm.
No, ready? Ready?
Hmm. Hmm.
Mm-mm.
Hmm.
Where'd Dad go?
Bongos! Bongos!
No, where did Dad go?
I don't know.
Did you see him drive out of the driveway?
Mm-mm.
Where's his car?
Where? No.
Behind us out here?
Mm-hmm.
Where is he?
Gabby. I didn't want to have to do this.
You're so thirsty.
I got it. Crapple. Oh. Alright.
Alright, so you laugh at little weeds doing this, so. What does D stand for? You want the D? I'm sure you do. Esther, come here. Esther, come here.
Crap.
Oh, yeah. That's so gross. Look.
Got poison in your hair. Two
to 3.
2, 3.
This is gonna be the last round. Wait, 2 more rounds. This one, if you don't make me laugh, we're gonna have to have a tiebreaker.
I'll be right back. I can't be back. It's out of plan. Okay? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yoga. Wait, Gabby, lay out for a second. On your belly. Good girl. can't understand. Ah.
Okay. No, don't keep it going. Esther.
It's over.
No.
But it's over.
That was our YouTube video.
Crap. That's all I have to say.
So I saw this video on BF versus GF, and I really liked the idea, so I thought my first YouTube video would be with my friend, Esther.
Best friend, thank you very much.
Best friend. So tune in, and I'll see you next week. Bye!